All are well and good? Fine. Welcome back to our English class of Standard 1. Now, what we were doing? Do you remember? Yes, we were doing chapter 8, hot water, isn't it? We have done the introduction now in our last video. So today we will do the reading and recitation of that poem. Okay? So what we will do today? We will do the reading and recitation. And as I am going to read the poem, you will also read along with me. You will put your fingers and you will read along with me. Okay, my dear students? So hurry up, go and take out your book. Okay. So this is your English course book and open page number 61. The poem Hot Water, and this poem is written by K.N. Nesbitt. Okay, my dear students? So let's start. First I will read first stanza and then I will explain it to you. Okay? Everyone is ready with their book and put your fingers and read along with me. Hot water, drink it by the cup. If you drink it slowly, it will warm your body up. Okay? So what is the meaning of this first stanza, my dear students? Hot water. We should always drink hot water by a cup, by sipping it slowly. Okay? Because hot water always warm our body, isn't it? It warm our body. So we should drink it slowly, sip by sip. Okay? Second one. Cold water. Drink it by the liter. If you drink too quickly, you will need to get a heater. So what is this second stanza stands for? Yes, cold water. Drink it by the liter. Yes, we can drink cold water now. We can drink a full glass of cold water, a small bottle of cold water. But if, my dear students, if we will drink too cold water, freezed water, then what will happen? You will feel cold and you will need a heater to warm up yourself, isn't it? To warm up yourself, you will need a heater because we can't drink very chilled water, isn't it? Very chilled water. So, we should drink cold water and we can drink cold water, a glass of cold water at once, but never drink too cold water. So, that you will need a heater to warm your body up. Okay? Now, come to the third stanza. Spring water, drink it by the ounce, only drink a little bit, or else you will start to pounce. As I told you, my dear students, in the introduction only, that spring water is very healthy. It is full of nutrients, minerals, but we should never drink it too much. We should drink this spring water very little amount. Isn't it? Because intake of too much of any nutrients or minerals is not good for our body. We should always take nutrients or minerals in a balanced portion. Okay, in a balanced proportion. So, we should drink spring water because it is very healthy. But by the ounce means only little bit water we should drink. Okay. So, we have done the recitation and explanation of this poem, Hot Water. Now, what you will do? You will open this video and you will read according to me as I have done. Clear? And you will learn the poem. You have to by heart this poem. Clear? Okay, my dear students? In the next video, we will do the hard words and word meanings of this poem. Till then, bye-bye.